In this video, I am going to give you my top 5 professional tips for healthier hair growth. Now, before I jump into this, let's get on the same page. How much hair you grow, the texture, density, pattern, and the rate that hair comes in is genetic and internal health related. There is nothing that will alter your DNA, but how much hair you retain on this side of your scalp and the overall health of it is where you can see gains. So instead of focusing on how you can make your hair grow faster, because that's not really possible, I want you to change your perspective to length retention. The tips I am going to give you are focused on your internal and external health and habits. These are adjustments that you can make into habits for the long run to get you consistent improvement and results. If you've been watching my videos over the last 11 years, a lot of things you're about to hear may sound familiar to you. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. And you can trust that you are in the hands of a licensed professional with more than 10,000 hours of experience caring for other people's hair. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, you have to take care of your scalp. Scalp health is critical to healthy hair growth. If you are having issues such as flaking, excessive itchiness, redness, rapid hair loss or thinning, I want you to know that is not normal and there are things you can do to relieve or completely eliminate those symptoms. The only way to do that, however, is with proper diagnosis. You need to see a dermatologist. You can't treat something that hasn't been properly identified. And if you are throwing oil at it, I would encourage you to stop. Oil will not resolve a scalp disorder. It will only make it worse by causing more imbalance to your scalp's pH, which is going to lead to excessive shedding and hair fall. If you have an itchy scalp regularly, it's likely due to your routine, meaning you need to wash more often, or you are allowing your hair to be wet too long and it's causing fungal growth. If you keep hair wet for hours, sleep with wet hair, wet your hair to slick it into a bun over and over, you're creating the perfect breeding ground for fungus, and it's gonna be itchy. You need to dry your hair and not allow your roots to remain wet and covered against your warm scalp for hours. If you sweat when you work out, just use a blow dryer to dry those roots when you're done. Don't go to bed with wet hair, sit under a hooded dryer. The best thing you can do for your scalp is keep it clean. Regularly washing your hair is usually the answer to most issues. That is where you are able to remove the buildup in your follicles and hydrate your scalp to keep that pH balanced so your scalp can produce healthy sebum throughout, which is going to aid in healthier growth. My scalp clarifier is specifically designed to do just that. With weekly use, you are giving your scalp a balanced, gentle exfoliating cleanse that's going to restore, hydrate, and relieve symptoms like itching, flaking, and dryness. There are a number of reasons that you could be experiencing scalp issues, and I have a full detailed video of the top 10 reasons that you should watch to give you a roadmap to recovery. I'll link it below this video for you. Tip number 2, your strands need a balance of protein and moisture to prevent breakage. The name of the game is length retention. That's what you can control and improve. As I was formulating MoKnowsHair collection, this concern was the focal point, which led me to create the elasticity restoring treatment. This treatment was made specifically to address the most pressing concern for all hair types, breakage. The lipid barrier or cuticle layer of your hair is responsible for trapping moisture inside of strands. When that layer is damaged, you lose moisture quickly after washing, resulting in single strand knots, tangles, split ends, and excessive frizzing curls that won't define. With weekly use of this deep conditioning treatment, the cortex or the inner section of your strand is replenished with moisturizing, nourishing, and repairing ingredients, and that cuticle outer layer is repaired to trap it all in, giving you hair that holds more moisture, breaks less, and retains more length. Using a heat source like a conditioning cap or hooded dryer or a hair steamer can help enhance penetration if you need it, but it's formulated to work even if you don't. Like any treatment, it requires consistency to work. You can't just use it a couple times and expect a miracle. You need to make it a weekly habit. Once you get your protein moisture balance in check, you should notice that you don't need as much cut from your ends when you get those trims, and that's how you will get the length and fullness you want. Tip number 3. Your water source could be holding you back from the healthy hair, scalp, and skin you want. Water is not talked about enough in the hair care space, so let's discuss it. Depending on where you live, there could be a range of contaminants and mineral deposits that can negatively impact your hair and skin. Too much calcium, rust, and other debris can find its way into your tap water, impeding your products from working to their highest potential. The water you see listed as a first ingredient on your cosmetics has been filtered in some way. It's not tap water. All the ingredients in the formulation are balanced against that clean water. If your water source contains too much of some conflicting mineral or substance, it can cause the formula to not perform as intended, which can leave you with lots of buildup, flaking, dryness, brittle hair, itchy scalp, acne, or enlarged pores. If your hair and skin are constantly dry, or your styling products aren't holding, defining, and keeping your hair the way you want, your hair is always frizzy or feels hard, you have constant breakouts on your face or body, you should consider getting water filters for your bathroom sink and shower. I will link you to one I have on my shower below this video. It's not expensive at all and should be compatible with almost any shower setup. I have a filter on my sink from Filter Baby, and I can definitely tell the difference in the water coming through. It's a lot softer. My skin products absorb better, I notice reduced pore visibility, and my skin just feels smoother and more naturally hydrated versus oily. Filter Baby also makes shower head filters. I have a link and discount code you can use even during sales that I will link you to below this video. Tip number 4, your internal physical health directly impacts the health of your hair. There are several internal health conditions that can cause your scalp to itch or be inflamed, or shed hair profusely to the point of thinning and cause severe sebum production or flaking. These include, but are not limited to, hypertension, thyroid disorders, iron and vitamin D deficiencies, dermatitis, dandruff, eczema, and autoimmune diseases. If you have not been to the doctor in the last 9 to 12 months and had full physical with blood work, you need to do that ASAP. If you are on medication for a health condition, one of the side effects can be scalp and hair issues. That is when you need to talk to your physician about alternative medications where those side effects can be reduced. Drastic changes to your hair and scalp are your body's emergency alert system going off to tell you to get checked out because something is wrong. You cannot use products and oils and other DIY mixtures to resolve an internal health issue. Get off the internet and go to the doctor. The same energy you all use to find the perfect nail tech, lash tech, hairstylist, or braider is the same energy you need to invest in finding a good primary care physician, dermatologist, gynecologist, and dentist. Take your internal health seriously. Also, if you don't drink enough water, at least half your body weight in ounces per day, eat a nutrient-dense diet that isn't full of fast food, fat, and sugar, manage your stress, get plenty of rest, and exercise regularly, you are prohibiting your body from producing healthy hair in the growth cycle. No product is going to combat your bad habits. Hair that comes out nutrient deficient will be brittle, dry, and prone to more breakage. Improving your internal health can rejuvenate your hair growth cycle. When you are not healthy, your body is going to prioritize your vital organs first. Your body will slow down your growth cycle to reallocate resources to the systems of the body that are keeping you alive. You have to prioritize your overall bodily health. Tip number 5, you need to clean and disinfect your hair tools and accessories. If you use the same brush and comb and clips over and over and over and they haven't been cleaned with clarifying shampoo and then disinfected with barbicide, you could be depositing bacteria back into your scalp, which can lead to fungal infection, itchiness, and eventually hair loss. If you are wearing the same bonnet or scarf every night for a week or more, same thing, transfer of bacteria. I have a step-by-step video on how to clean your tools, which I will link below, and either wash those head coverings every few days or purchase multiples so you can switch out until laundry day. When it comes to healthy hair and length retention, there is no magic, no miracle tonics. All that stuff is made to play on your emotions. It's all about consistency and habits. Taking care of your health, using properly formulated products, committing to a regular wash day schedule, getting trims at least once a quarter, and Managing those external factors like cleaning your tools and filtering water sources are going to give you results that are sustainable. All of these things work together, and your refusal to do them is keeping you from the hair you want. There are no shortcuts. The results you are looking for are in the work you are trying to avoid and habit changes you are refusing to make. Let's make 2025 the year you stop looking for quick fixes and focus on breaking bad habits and building healthier ones. And of course, I'm here to help you along the way. I am placing several detailed videos and posts in the About section below this video that you should take some time and view. And you can take that first big step and get properly formulated products made just for you by a Black woman chemist and yours truly at MoKnowsHair.com.